Thinking, fast and slow. 4 insights from Daniel Kahneman. Every single day, you make thousands of decisions. You think you are completely in control. You think your choices are rational, calculated, and logical. But the Nobel Prize-winning psychologist Daniel Kahneman proved that your mind is constantly playing tricks on you. In his groundbreaking masterpiece, Thinking, Fast and Slow, he reveals that your brain is actually divided into 2 completely different systems. Understanding how they fight for control is the ultimate key to mastering your choices. Here are his 4 insights. Insight 1, System 1 and System 2. System 1 is fast. It is automatic, emotional, and unconscious. It is what allows you to read a billboard, duck when a ball is thrown at you, or instantly detect anger in a voice. System 2 is slow. It is effortful, logical, and calculating. You use it when you calculate a complex math problem, fill out a tax form, or parallel park in a tight space. System 1 is your default mode because it takes less energy, but it is highly prone to systematic errors. Insight 2, the law of least effort. Your brain is inherently lazy. To save precious mental energy, System 2 will happily accept the easy answers handed to it by System 1. This creates cognitive illusions. If an explanation sounds simple and coherent, your brain wants to believe it is true. This laziness makes us vulnerable to the illusion of validity, where we feel incredibly confident about a prediction or a belief that is actually based on completely unreliable data. Insight 3, heuristics and biases. Because System 1 wants to work fast, it relies on mental shortcuts called heuristics. One major shortcut is availability. If you can easily remember an example of something, you automatically assume it happens frequently. You see a plane crash on the news, and suddenly you are terrified of flying, even though driving a car is statistically far more dangerous. Your brain substitutes a difficult question about statistics with an easy question about how an event makes you feel. Insight 4, prospect theory and loss aversion. Kahneman reshaped the entire field of economics by proving that humans do not value gains and losses equally. We suffer much more from a loss than we enjoy an equal gain. In fact, the pain of losing $100 is psychologically twice as powerful as the pleasure of winning $100. This loss aversion makes us irrationally protective. It causes us to stick with bad investments, stay in wrong careers, and refuse to take calculated risks just to avoid the pain of regret. The ultimate lesson from Daniel Kahneman is a call for intellectual humility. Your fast brain is a powerful survival tool, but it is an unreliable guide for complex modern life. You cannot eliminate your cognitive biases entirely, but you can learn to recognize when the stakes are high, consciously hit the brakes, and force your slow brain to take the wheel.